Students review about the webinar on building cyber immunity, held by MD in Cybersecurity Solutions in collaboration with KS Institute of Technology.
Hi, this is Yashaswini R from ECE. Firstly, I would like to thank Abhishek sir for sharing his lot of information about cyber security and ethical hacking. It was very interesting, and I'm looking forward to many more webinars like this. Thank you.
By attending the webinar on cybersecurity and ethical hacking, which was held on 11 June with the collaboration of NSCOM and DSCI, I got more information about cybersecurity and ethical hacking, where exactly how we can store and secure our data in this digital world. I would like to thank Abhishek sir to give insights of cybersecurity and also to explain us about different methods of ethical hacking, and also explain the concept so easily so that I can implement in my real time. And I would like to thank Surekha ma'am to organize this event, and it is very helpful to me.
This is the feedback on the webinar organized on cybersecurity and ethical hacking on 11 June. I would like to thank Mr. Abhishek Mitra for sharing his knowledge on this topic. While I did learn on how an hacker goes around the way seeking an user's information without his consciousness, I was also familiarized on cyber immunity. I was also taught on how we should exactly set our own passwords. The information on Pakistani hackers was also very informative. I would like to thank Surekha ma'am for giving me an opportunity to attend this webinar. Thank you.
This is my feedback for the cybersecurity and ethical hacking webinar which took place. It was very informative and very knowledgeable, and as all of us use net banking, it was much needed. Thank you so much.